Hey guys, my name is Patrick Cogen and in this video I'm going to show you and explain different examples of sales funnels and how to choose the one that fits for you the best, so stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button right below this video. This channel is all about improving your online business, whether it's affiliate marketing, email marketing, landing pages, sales funnels, building websites, and other things, so you can take your business to the next level. Okay, let's get right into it. I'm logged into my Builderall account, and when I go to the left to this builders bar, then I click on drag and drop pixel perfect and then sales funnels. Okay, here we are. There are lots of sales funnels you can choose from, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about all of them. The first one is called Video Sales Letter Funnel. With this funnel, you can use your own video or you can outsource it to someone in order to sell the product or service. Interesting thing on this particular sales funnel is that you can hide the Add to Cart button until the price is revealed in the video, which can increase your conversions. After the viewer opts in to buy, you can either upsell or downsell them more products. Next one, we have this one called Invisible Funnel, and this one allows you to take payment information of your potential customer before the start of an event, which forces the buyer to opt out of payment only if they didn't enjoy what they viewed. So you invite someone to your event, for example via video. If they want to gain access, they are told they have to enter their credit card information, but they will not be charged until a few days after the event, only if they liked it. Visitors are able to opt in and purchase more things to increase the sale before the event starts. Finally, they are told that if they enjoy the event, they will not have to do anything and their credit card will be charged automatically in a few days. And if they didn't like the event, they just need to contact you and they will not be charged. Next one, we have Product Launch Funnel. In this funnel, you are able to build anticipation around the product launch and create scarcity for it as well. With this particular funnel, you can send small marketing pieces on an everyday basis, via email for example, that expose a little bit about the product you are about to launch. This way, you will create scarcity and urgency, and when the day comes and your cart is finally open, it will lead to more sales. The key to the funnel is to limit the time someone can purchase to only a few days. Next one is Storefront Funnel. The Storefront Funnel, I think this is the common one. It creates a window shopping experience for the user. You can have different products on a single page, and under each product you have your link, just like on a typical e-commerce site. However, each this link leads customer through different funnel system that effectively sells the particular product. Next one, we have Summit Funnel. This funnel is a little bit strange in my opinion, but can be powerful as well. You can grow your email list by providing value with this Summit Funnel. Firstly, you will interview a group of speakers for an online summit. Secondly, you will create a particular funnel allowing people to register in order to see the summit for free. That way, you will gather their emails and market them later. Additionally, on that page, you will offer upsells. For example, some recordings. The funnel should also include sales pages with biographies of the people who answer questions, then a registration page with upsold products and a share page prompting attendees to invite friends to the event. Next one, we have Membership Funnel. With the Membership Funnel, you will use video to sell access to your unique membership site or any other subscription-based model. How it works? So after your viewers watch the sales video, they can sign up for a trial for several days. It's up to you to choose how many. They get access to a link where they create an account in the members area. They will create their own username and password and use it in order to log in. In addition, you are able to set their access level based on the specific purchases they make. Next one, we have Lead Magnet Funnel. Lead Magnet Funnel is used the most. With this funnel, you simply collect customers' email addresses in exchange for something for free. It's usually some kind of free report or video which is valuable. Then we have homepage funnel. Homepage funnel allows businessmen to turn a traditional looking homepage into a lead funnel. This funnel is pretty similar to the hero funnel, but describes the story of the business instead of an about page for the businessman. At the bottom of the page, visitors can opt in and choose from several products the business offers. Next one, we have webinar funnel. Webinar funnels are very powerful because they allow you to engage with many potential customers for about 60 minutes. In this case, you have plenty of time to address any concerns that prevents your potential customers from buying your product. These funnels are amazing to close customers at a higher price point since you've got the time to explain it all. Webinars are split into two parts. In the first part, visitors hear different success stories that increase the curiosity of the event and gets them to register for a seat. After that, there is a second part in which visitors attend a live webinar. Scarcity and urgency are created while the time window to buy begins to close at the end of the webinar. Unlike auto webinars, attendees usually view the webinar through a third-party video conference software. Next one, we have bridge funnel. The bridge funnel is great and also common for affiliate and network marketers since they cannot control the product funnels they send their visitors to. Most of them use two simple pages. On the first page there is a sign-up form, then leads to a second page in order to pre-frame the actual product for sale. Next one, we have squeeze page funnel. The main objective of a squeeze page is to get leads email address. Squeeze page funnel is just a simple page that has very few distractions such as leaving of headers, footers, complicated designs and many extra links. Squeeze pages work best with headlines that leave readers curious. The more curious the headline is, the higher chance that the reader turns into a lead by submitting their email address. Next one, we have sales letter funnel. This is a traditional sales funnel and the main purpose of the funnel is to sell a product or service with immediate upsells and downsells and increase your sales that way as much as possible. Next one, we have live demo funnel. A live demo funnel is a great funnel to demonstrate the product in order to make a sale. You can show leads how to use the product and answer any questions live from the viewers. This funnel works best by doing regular live shows where you demonstrate your product or service and also remind them where they can purchase it from. This can be done through multiple episodes that you can then direct the viewer to in a list of episodes below the video of your most current demo. Next one, we have survey funnel. A survey funnel does two things for you. First one is that it increases visitors' engagement because they have to answer questions and make small commitments. The second one helps you identify your visitors based on answers so you can sell to them right things. For example, you can ask a visitor how old they are, where are they from, and then direct them to different funnels that sells to them based on their demographic. Next one, we have auto webinar funnel. I would say this funnel is best to use after you have a proof of concept with your live webinar funnel. From there, choose and upload your best converting webinar you had in the past to Vimeo or YouTube. Next, insert the video on a webinar broadcast page and here comes the magic. The webinar can sell your products and services on autopilot for you 24 hours a day. The auto webinar funnel works by prompting someone to sign up for the webinar. After they do, they are redirected to a confirmation page with exact date and time of the event they can attend. After that, drip emails will be sent to build excitement about the training. Once the webinar time has passed, visitors are emailed a link to a page that will give them one last chance to watch the webinar in order to create urgency and scarcity. Next one, we have a funnel that is called Ask Campaign Funnel. You can use this funnel in order to find out what customers on your email list really want. No matter what stage of your business you are in, this funnel can help you design products and offers that are right for your customers. The funnel works by asking open-ended questions about the product or service you want feedback on. The one thing I like about this funnel is that you can offer the product as a gift in exchange for the response to your campaign. Next one, we have application funnel. If you want to qualify people to work with you, often with high-end coaching and consulting businesses, you can use the application funnel to make leads apply for the opportunity to become a client. The main purpose of this funnel is to create authority and also scarcity for the product or service you may offer. Next one, we have Hero Funnel. Hero Funnel is all about positioning yourself as an authority in your specific niche in order to build a followers list. You can pick the funnel to share your bio, promote your email newsletter, and also ask for follows on your social media channels, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and so on. Next one, we have Reverse Squeeze Page. A reverse squeeze page funnel is very similar to a standard squeeze page funnel, but it allows you to attract high quality leads by giving away high quality information via video before you ask the visitor to opt in. The lead will then be prompted on the thank you page to share with their friends. It is known that this funnel has a lower conversion rate than the traditional squeeze page funnel, but the quality of the leads is much higher due to your relationship with them. And the last one, we have a funnel called Cancellation Funnel. This is a great funnel to use in order to drastically reduce the amount of refunds and cancellations of your product or service. When a customer wants to return a product or cancel a service, this funnel can be used to save the sale. Before the customer makes his final decision, you are able to quiz the customer to find out their concern, usually due to a misunderstanding about the offer. On the next page, you can try to save the sale based on the information they provide. So, those are the funnels you can choose from. My top 3 funnels I use are Lead Magnet Funnel, Bridge Funnel, and Squeeze Page Funnel, because they are proven to work for me the best. Alright guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. If you are ready to build your own sales funnels inside Builderall, there's gonna be a 7-day free trial. Just go ahead and click the first link in the description below. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button right below this video. It helps me know that you like this kind of videos and I can do more of them. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you don't want to miss out on the future content. If you guys do have any questions, just go and comment below in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as best I can. With that being said, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.